Hello everyone! We'll show you how to use the Refund Sync Shopify to Salesforce feature in Sync Made Easy. Let's get started. First, log into your Salesforce account and navigate to the Sync Made Easy app. From there, open the SM Pro Features section and enable the Refund Sync Shopify to Salesforce feature. Now, let's create an order in Shopify. Open your Shopify store, select a product, add a customer, complete the checkout process, and mark the order as paid. Once the order is created, copy the Shopify order ID. Now, go back to Salesforce and search for this order using the Shopify order ID. After the order is synced successfully, open the Salesforce order record. Here, you can see that the refund amount is currently set to 0. Next, let's process a refund from Shopify. Open the same order in Shopify, click on the Refund button, select the quantity you want to refund, and enter the refund amount. For this demo, we'll process a partial refund instead of refunding the complete order amount. Once the refund is completed, return to Salesforce and refresh the order record. You'll now see that a new refund record has been created. Open the refund record and go to the related section. Here, you can see that the refund line, transaction, and order adjustment records have been automatically created. You can open these records to verify that the refund amount and transaction details have been successfully synced from Shopify to Salesforce. And that's how you can automatically sync Shopify refunds to Salesforce using the Refund Sync feature in Sync Made Easy. We hope this demo helped you understand the process. In case you need more assistance, write to us at support@syncmadeeasy.com. See you in the next demo.